Jangwa.
Mu kifaananyi kiri kyekyaliste kifaananyi kikyaliste kifaananyi kiryoke muhaka kamera eno space naye eweddeyo olina kaadi gyogenda okumpaana endala olinawo extra card naye abakoli bano batayagala kulinnyako mukwalo tuli mu position zanjawulo Shami, tell the control of the court. Ano. Tona. Sobola kujjako kaadi nga sina kaadi ndala.
Is that okay, Jose? Okay, okay. So call him. Hey, Babsi.
Sobola kujjako kaadi nga sina kaadi.
Okay, okay. Tima.
Kimala kaadi.
Kao ID. Mukundiyo.
Run.
So we are okay. Are you able to get me? Yes. Yes, I hear you, Chris. Okay.
Shami,
I can be sure to tell you that the lawyers are still tight to what could wait between regards to that the environment has been clearly cleared for him on the side where he is currently sitting. He's sitting beside his wife is sitting beside him, and also one of his aides currently is speaking to his lawyer, and that is Mega Segona. He's also having an engagement with counsel Samuel Bezi. He's one of the lawyers that he has worked with closely for such a long time. Also, one of the lawyers he has been engaging is prosecuted here. You can be able to see that continuous. There is a physician there, the gentleman that you are able to see there at the window, the one that has just moved through the camera with a mask which is blue. He is one of the physicians and doctors that handle his health conditions at any time when there are questions regarding to his health matters. He's currently giving a brief, we can call it a brief, to Counsel Lumbuye Sigona, who is the lawyer for his family, but also he is one of his partners, one of his co-workers in Lukwago and company advocates. Counsel Lumbuye Sigona has been on the run and on the watch looking for Lord Mayor areas Lukwago for the previous days, and he has been asking from the different areas from the Gatete police, which is close or which is resident in the area where Lord Mayor areas Lukwago stays. And that is his home area until today. At this particular area where we are coming to you live from the courtroom, we can be sure to tell you that he has been handling any legal process of looking for areas whereabouts until this particular time. He was also early on in Kira Division, where Kira Police is, where Lukwago moved from about 40 minutes ago, and inside the courtroom where we are coming to you live from, we are expectant that it's only a judge or a magistrate who presents over this particular matter who will be coming in to handle the processes legal in nature that are expected to be undertaken a few minutes from now. We could also be keen to say that many of the PFF members have come in, but also we continue to see many other lawyers come in, especially those that work with Council Areas Lukwago. There's one who also I can be able to tell you that the former leader of opposition, Matthias Mpuga, has just arrived here inside the courtroom and is currently aside as the Lord Mayor Areas Lukwago briefs his lawyer or speaks to him, and we can be certain to tell you that different individuals, especially friends, individuals that he has represents in the different courts of law before, are outside the courtroom in the courtyard where we were coming to you live from before. Critical to notice that earlier on we were able to note that the staff of court or members of the judiciary, those that work for it, have been entering the courtroom and checking through public to see whether members of the public have been able to occupy it, or indeed there are individuals from the state or from any team that could be in. So the particular door that we are unable to show you as of now is where we expect that the magistrate will be coming from, and at that particular time the expectation will be that the charges get to be read for them. Different you're able to see all those different lawyers that you are able to see take on the bar with their seats and position themselves are that we have been able to see differently alongside the lawyer. And also that speaks to what indeed will be happening from now. The number of lawyers continues to grow, taking a different seat for themselves. Now you can be able to see the close-up picture that we're showing you live is a picture of the lawyer area of Lukwago, and that picture shows him speaking to former opposition, but also a friend of his who he has worked with politically for more than 30 years that he has been at the council, but also the other years that he worked as a member of parliament for Kampala Central, so that speaks to now, more family members for the mayor have been able to come in, but also there are individuals who members we are in a position to see them coming even away from the list. We are uncertain whether they are the members of the state or state prosecutors. We are unable to tell where it is them, but there is suspicion that they could be the individuals who could be representing the state in the matter that we are needs to establish, which the state will preferably resolve against Kingo here. Live from the courtroom. Different civil members
kati wano era gye tulimu ndi mukubawa space simukabi mainstream ndi mukubawa space sagala abanyiriza
it means they are right. But I think this is what the state prosecutors what we are waiting to see. That to be members of state prosecutors as of now. And so they chair the magistrate is 10 minutes from now has also been cleared and that all the next process is getting undertaken from now the legal process, which will be substantial what sort of charges culminate into for the former lawyer for councillor. Also, critical to notice, council is just required, but the former lawyer is the lead counsel in the matter of treason against and his position in that matter has been or is still expected to be coming back to the local hearing, especially on the 30th of June, but also not just hearing the trial, but also the application in which the Lord Mayor areas so court to have General Husband Gaba answer on the motion that is that the accused two individuals, Hajibel Italy and Dr. Kizzy are seeking for concomitance. The three ladies individuals that have come into court are state prosecutors, and they are apparently trying to create a way for them, or trying to create room for them to have chairs at the bar where they are able to represent the state or the government of Uganda any matter to any charges that the state preferably wants to state against. And also areas not any individual can find where to have even have a chair for themselves. Indeed, we can only be able to tell you that
I'm just showing you this.
We are able to tell that those files that you are able to see suggest that indeed the files that are getting closer, tracing the files that you are able to see two files, but also we are able to tell you that some of those postal documents that we talked about earlier were documents of national identification cards and that introduction letters that come from different LCs. You are able to start showing any other individual here, but also just for the visuals, we have to see what you have been put into which suggests that we make the space for everybody to see to start. So that is a sort of phenomenon coming from it is one of those that are the different individuals that are expected to stand areas.
Aku kuweka ngambadde ndabyekakaasa ngababbi ate pawapa teryakaderi mujo nagisanzeeko omusirikale ataganirizawo yange tebagikekedde muga ate nayiseewo nga ate nayiseewa
Which one? Let's please, you know. Nyamisa Judith, senior secretary. Nyamisa Judith, senior secretary of the office. Together with me is Opia Caroline, senior secretary, and Gabriel Obua, state attorney. To represent the state in this matter. We are ready to proceed with the plea. I pray that the President Council introduce the result for
Please, Your Honor, my name is Major Lukwago. I'm assisted by counsel Samuel. The Honorable Ahmed Sereko. Honorable Matthias Lukwago.
Yes, that's just not up to date.
Yes, Mr. Abubakar second. Mr. Lawrence Kabila. Lawrence Kabila and Miss Proscovia Tunisia. And the represent the two. We also joined by Maria Mutale. Russian, we read it.
The son of Lukwago, the male adult Uganda, 50 years, the Uganda by tribe, a lawyer, resident of Wakalika, Robert Bishop, after that. You're charged with misprision of children, contrary to section 25 of the Penal Code Act, Part 1, 2020. The particulars of the offense are that son of Elias Lukwago and others still at large between 2021 and November 2024 at various places, including Nairobi in Kenya and Kampala in Uganda, knowing that other persons, to wit, Joel Wakaima, Frank Chiheri, Atkunda, Haj of Lutare Kamlegea, and Colonel retired Dr. Kizaves Pepe, intended to commit treason, did not give information thereof with all reasonable dispatch to the minister, an administration official, a magistrate or an officer in charge of the police station, or use all reasonable endeavors to prevent the commission of the treason. Salvo, have you understood the particular information? You understand. Is it true?
It's not true.
Can you speak of yourself? Kindly could you switch off your phone? Scott is in session, please.
Vananga masimu gateko.
Yes, the skill of that gift is in.
Your Honor, inquiries are still ongoing. Request a mention there.
Yes, Colonel, we have a right to apply for bail.
We are ready with 3 applications in alternatives.
The alternative was there.
No. The first is bail, and the last 2 are alternatives. Worship, we have instructions to apply for bail as we now do. Yes, the accused person applies for bail on the following grounds. 1, in exercise of the constitutional right to apply. And the permission, I do not need to deliver that permission.
No, you don't have.
Under Article 23.
No, you don't have.
The accused person has a fixed place of abode at Wakariga in Lumbuye division. He has a family. With a wife and children. And his residence is known to the state, both physically but also in documents, including the charge sheet, which you have just read over today. As the state mentioned in its charge sheet, the accused person is an advocate of this court and practices law. Under the name and style of Lukwago and Company Advocates. Operating Block 15A.
You got a bit some
Apologies.
operating.
The law firm operates at Block 15A, 15th and Block, Clement Hill Road, Nagasero, Kampala. On the first floor of Ruth Towers. On the first floor of Ruth Towers. With experience of close to 30 years of legal practice. He knows and understands the implications of bail and makes a personal undertaking. Appear as and when directed. And to abide by all bail terms and conditions that may be easy to set. Your Honor, the accused person advances another ground with fragile health. The accused person suffers from a condition called gastritis. A number of conditions that I will mention. First is gastritis. Which requires consistent medical supervision by specialized medical personnel. And you've got to follow closely how he has been in the dock here. Many tips, bumping, That is a condition. The requirement is to consistently monitor pressure, oxygen, aeration, and so on. But it also requires specialized food. Specialized food and particular intervals during the day and night. In particular, in more particular terms, the worship, he has to take particular quantities, small quantities of meals at highly regulated
What's wrong with you? Can you please respect God?
the worship at smaller quantities provided at particular intervals followed by particular medication provided under supervision, medical supervision. The second medical condition is herniated disc. When this herniated disc is H-E-R-N-I-A-T-E-D. Herniated H-E-R, yes, N-I-A-T-E-D. This with actually for completeness it is this C5 and C6 and C6. To demonstrate is that the lumbar spine, the cervical spine, was operated with a metal inserted which was operated in Fortis Hospital, India. That is where the surgery was conducted. Fortis, F-O-R-T-I-S, Memorial Hospital in Delhi, India. Following the brutal arrest and management under detention, the same has clinically dislocated by his observation arising owing to the pain he feels, which is excruciating and requires urgent orthopedic intervention. Or neurological intervention. He also suffers respiratory ailments relating to his breathing, requiring well-ventilated space, as well as consistent and persistent medical observation. He also suffers from hypertension. And that hypertension has been exacerbated by the physical conditions. Conditions he has endured over the last 2 days of his kingdom. All these conditions were referred by the medical board of this country as only manageable by that Fortis Memorial Hospital and Nairobi Hospital. And Fortis is in Delhi, India. Yes, it's in Delhi, India. I'm advised there is a more specified location called Gurugram in India. Gurugram in India. Gurugram is G-U-R-U-G-R-A-M. Your Honor, away from the medical prescriptions are two lifestyle prescriptions. One is what to eat. When to eat and how to eat it. The second is when to get up and walk, for how long, what distance, all of which cannot be available under incarceration. Now, those conditions have further been exacerbated by the type of meals that have been provided in the last 2 days. in particular, posho and beans, forced posho and beans. Together with the lack of medication as prescribed. The latest pressure taken from both the applicant or the accused person about 1 hour ago indicated that it was 217. 200 over 100, yes, which by your standards is close to suffering a stroke. Indeed, before he was dumped at the police, while in military custody, suffered a high surge, high blood pressure. Reason whereof the military drove him out of their facility. And he was only saved by the intervention of a doctor that quickly administered a tablet under his tongue. All those conditions are not to be catered for under incarceration. We are making attempts, Your Worship, to obtain a printout of some of the medical documents we are talking about, which we could not prepare in time. Reason being that since his kidnapping, we have only been looking for him.
So you were unable to prepare?
We were unable to get them, but we have received them electronically. So they are being printed out. By the time I finish this case, these applications, we would have obtained. The accused person is 56 years old. By law and authorities, that is advanced. Now, advanced age spanning from the age of 50, so he's already 6 years into advanced age. As a matter of record and antecedent and responsibility, yeah, beyond being a lawyer,